everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I have got a Ikea haul for you guys. Now, as you guys know, about 2.5 years ago I moved into this apartment with Davey, and it's just very basic. I've never actually done a homeware haul for you guys. I have been seeing various different items from Ikea on people's Instagram accounts or on hauls. I love these videos so much that it just gives me absolute inspo. So I'm hoping that I can do the same for you guys. About 1.5 years ago as well, I had some houseplants. I love houseplants so much. I've always been a big plant and flower kind of girl anyway. But unfortunately, they just have not done so well. I don't know what I done wrong. I think I overwatered them or something like that. But with that being said, we've tried to revive them. It hasn't gone so well, and I just thought, you know what, now is the time to get a few more babies, add them in the mix, and hopefully things won't go wrong this time. Fingers crossed. So yeah, you're going to be seeing a few homeware items and then a few plants as well. So first up on the list, I have absolutely been loving this item. I've seen it on various different Instagram accounts, and when I found out that it was from Ikea, it was #1 on the list. And the item in question is this absolutely gorgeous, I'm just going to move over here so I can try and get it all in, but it's this beautiful throw and pillow kind of basket. That's what I'm going to be using it for anyway. It's going to be going in my bedroom, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's not too big and it's definitely not too small. It's just the perfect one, and I've been searching for such a long time. My dad actually loves to do willow weaving. He's so good at it, and this actually does remind me of that. I don't know if it's willow, I don't know quite what it is, or whether it's cane, but it's absolutely beautiful. I love the patterning on it, and on the bottom it's sturdy. And this was actually £25, so I thought it was a little bit more in the pricier kind of range, particularly as Ikea, I feel, are so affordable. But you know what, I just didn't mind. I didn't mind whatsoever, because I think it's going to make such a gorgeous addition to the home, and I just absolutely love it. Now up next, I'm going to show you a couple of plants. Again, because of the disaster that I had with my last ones, I really want to get it right this time. I've got such an affinity for various different plants and flowers, so these items really fill me with absolute joy. The first one I actually got for a gift for Davey, but I'm also claiming it as my own as well. He actually wasn't that overwhelmed with it. My mum said it looked like a bit of a chicken, but this is our first new little plant. Now this is actually I think it's called a ficus ginseng or something like that. It looks a little bit like a bonsai tree, but it does look like a little bit of a I think it looks a little bit like a chicken or a bum. I think that's what my mum called it, a chicken. But you know what, I loved it. I fell in love with it. I love this gorgeous black pot at the bottom. I just think it's so cute. I was going to call her Ginny, but I've now come around to the name Henry. So this is Henry, everyone. I absolutely love him. Henry was actually £22, so again, a little bit more of a pricier kind of item, but I loved him. I thought he was gorgeous. He really reminds me of a bonsai tree, and yeah, I just think he's super cool. Love him. Oh man. For the next one, I actually don't know how I'm going to show you this, but I'm going to attempt to give it a go. So I've got another plant here, and this one is a Monstera plant, something like that, but I'm actually going to get it out of its wrapping in a minute. Now this one was, even though it's quite big, it was actually only £15, which I thought was an absolute bargain, and I've actually wanted one of these for a long time. I'm going to try and show you. You know what, that's probably not the way. Right, let me try and undo it. I really don't know if I should have done this or opened it up, because it's gone everywhere. Okay. So, I'm gonna tip it everywhere. This is just not a good idea, but basically it's this type of plant with those type of leaves. They're just so stunning. Oh, I love it already. I cannot wait to get it into its new little pot. Definitely gonna be doing some Googling on what to do or how to look after this one properly, because I don't want it to go the same way that Trunky did. But yeah, £15, bargain, love it. It's gonna look so good. Me and Davey have got an absolute thing about cactuses. We absolutely love them. We've got various different memorabilia. We've got this little thing where we call each other cactuses, and if we're being anti-relationship kind of thing, then we're being cacti, but we prefer to be a cactus. Anyway, I digress, you're here for a haul. Hope you can see it with the lights, but yeah, it's just so super cute. I've kept it in this packaging for now, but this one was £8, really good price point. This is probably going to go in our kitchen or our lounge. I definitely wouldn't want to get spiked by one of them, and the good news about cactuses is there's not much that can go wrong with them. They need a little bit of water, they don't need that much maintenance, and just a really lovely addition to the home. I absolutely love it. So moving away from the real plants then, I actually picked up 2 faux ones, which I thought, you know what, definitely, absolutely 100% can't go wrong with these ones, but I'm actually going to be putting them in these 2 vases now. I didn't actually pick these 2 up on this haul, but I actually got them from Ikea at another time, but I had to share them with you whilst we're doing a kind of like a homeware show and tell anyway, because they've still actually got them in store. Now these at the time I believe were about £5–6 each, but they're just so lovely. I really wish I picked up this really lovely beige one that they've got going on at the moment. They've got some really gorgeous vases going on, but yeah, I absolutely love both of these ones. This one is a fairly bigger, just plain white with a really cute kind of simplistic ring around the top, and I love the colour of this one, just this beautiful kind of duck egg blue kind of colour, so gorgeous. And to go in them, I got these 2 faux plants. Now the last time I got a load of plants, I had a beautiful ivy and it was absolutely gorgeous, but it just ran its time and she didn't make it, unfortunately. She kind of dried up. So instead I decided to get this faux one. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful, and the pot is actually really small, so I thought it was the perfect fit to go in here. This will make such a nice kind of addition on top of my chest of drawers or on top of my wardrobe, and yeah, I just think it looks so nice. The faux plant itself, the faux ivy, was £6 itself. I mean, you just can't go wrong, and it's never gonna die, so absolute winner. And then this is the other one I got. I actually don't know what this one is. It's like another type of kind of ivy, but it's so beautiful. I love the kind of white detailing in it as well. It's that off green kind of sagey colour, and I thought this one would be perfect in this pot, and this will make a really nice addition to my bathroom. Again, this one was £6, really good price point, and a great little spruce me up for the house. I love it. Now back onto the homeware then. I have been looking for something like this for a while now, and I happened to find it, which is amazing. And it is these 2 placemats. Back at Christmas, my dad did these for me and my sister. We got 4 of them each, and they are these weaved little coasters. They're so lovely. I absolutely treasure them and use them all the time. So I wanted something very similar, and I found these and loved them. They were £4 each, so again a really good price point. Super flexible, easy to use, very simple and basic, but I love the style, I love the theme, and it's exactly what I was looking for. So for my next item, as you probably know, or you might not know, I have got an absolute obsession with mugs. I love to collect them when I'm overseas, abroad in different countries, or I just like to put them on a Christmas or birthday list or pick them up myself. So I couldn't not get a couple of mugs. So the first one up, this was an absolute bargain. This was £1.25, and it's just this really cute clear glass one. I just think it's so simplistic, really lovely to have a nice little chamomile tea, or even just a mini hot chocolate or something like that. I just think it's really cute and simplistic. And then this one, I've got one similar to it, but again, it kind of matches the vase colour. It's this kind of duck egg blue with this really lovely, beautiful rim at the top, faded kind of ombre colour. I love the sizes of it as well. Both are cute, both are perfect. This one was £2.25. Just an absolute bargain. I mean, that's such a good price point for both. You cannot go wrong. Now next up is one of the things that I had on my to-do list that I just really wanted to get. They had so many different kind of varieties, and that is this type of basket. Now I didn't know exactly the type of style that I wanted. All I knew was that I wanted something, one, that would be this big, that could fit in a lot of things. This is actually going to go underneath my kind of like TV stand where I keep various bits and bobs, and I just wanted it to, I wanted a good bit of storage that kind of looked like this. They had many different styles in there and I was absolutely torn, and to be honest with you, I am kicking myself that I didn't actually pick up another one because I only got the one. This was £13. What I really like about it is the size. You can fit lots of different things in it, and I like this kind of staggered kind of like approach. There are various different shapes and sizes in there, so do check it out if you're looking for something similar but you don't quite like the look of this one. I just think it's super handy, perfect storage, great cost, and again, you've noticed a theme. It's this kind of willow or cane. I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna have to ask my pap. But yeah, really, really lovely and super affordable. Now, next up, I picked up another couple of bugs, and that is these two beautiful wine glasses. Now, I'm not a massive drinker, particularly in the home, but I didn't actually have any nice kind of styles of glasses, and I saw these ones and I thought they were very, very super beautiful. Now, I did actually put them in the dishwasher, but they have gone a little bit kind of dirty looking, so I do apologise. They're not actually dirty at all, they've just kind of come out a bit strange from the dishwasher. But yeah, this is the style. They're so pretty. I love kind of the flat platform at the bottom, and each of these were £1.50. Bargain. Another one is this goblet, a gorgeous gin goblet. Absolutely love it. Again, £1.50. You can't go wrong. It does what it says and it looks classy. Love it. And then even more of a bargain, I got another couple of pint glasses because you always need a couple of these, and we're down to our last three. These were 75p each. Where do you get glasses at 75p? Ikea, that is where. So yeah, very handy. Now, I'd actually seen this next item from various different accounts, however, it wasn't the exact one that I wanted. I'd seen these beautiful kind of platter boards, which can also be used as chopping boards, and I had my eye on them, but I just couldn't seem to find it in the Ikea that I went to. But I did see this one and I thought, you know what, it will absolutely do. So I needed a new chopping board, and this one, it's absolutely fine, it does the job, but it was just a little bit more of this kind of square effect, whereas the one that I wanted was a little bit more kind of oblong-y style. This one was £6.50. I mean, it does what it says it does. It's a nice hard chopping board, and yeah, you can even use this one as a platter board as well, but I needed a new one and I really, really like this wood kind of style. And then last but not least, probably my most boring item, I picked up some more coat hangers. I have a mixture between the wooden ones and some pink kind of velvety ones. So yeah, I was lacking, I needed a few more, and these ones were £4. So how many did you get in them? You get 8. So yeah, 50p each, can't go wrong. And very handy. So there you go, guys, that was the end of the haul. I really hope that this has given you some homeware inspiration. I absolutely love all the items that I got, and I'm definitely going to be going back, probably not anytime soon, but Ikea, I love you. They've got so many gorgeous items, so if you are wanting to go and spruce up your home just a little bit, honestly go, because they've just got so many gorgeous things. Please let me know down in the comment section below what your favourite item was from the haul and anything that you have picked up for your home recently. I'm sending you all a lot of autumnal love, and I will catch you all next week with my next video. See you later, everyone.